5 months, 5 महीने रह गए कैट एग्जाम के लिए, एंड अ लॉट ऑफ यू आर गोइंग थ्रू अ लॉट ऑफ इमोशंस राइट नाउ. समवन is a little happier कि सब कुछ ठीक चल रहा है, but I'm pretty sure that 90% of you right now are going through the jumbled emotions of खुशी, दुख, self-doubt, not being confident at all, taking a pause over every of your decision that whether I'm doing right or wrong. And this video is for every single one of you. And the reason we are coming up for this video is because I'm getting a lot of texts nowadays कि क्या मुझसे ये हो पाएगा, क्या ये enough time है, क्या मैं इस लायक हूँ. Right, so in this video, I'm going to talk about every such segment. To start with, they tell you that CAT is just an exam, but nobody tells you that it chips away your confidence day by day. It brings that self-doubt, it brings all those emotions right into you that, kya tum us layak ho. It brings in that slowly, and very slowly it keep poisoning you with that thought. And the major reason is you think that I'm doing everything that is possible for this exam. I'm missing all those birthdays, I'm missing all those friendships, I'm missing those trips, I'm sacrificing everything, and still maybe jahan main khada tha main aaj bhi wahin pe hu. The improvement is insignificant as compared to the efforts you are putting in, and that is what is putting you under self-doubt. Not because you are not doing things, but because you know you deserve better. You know you're working hard for this, and that is what is surmounting a lot of pressure on you right now. Then there are those dark nights when you feel that you're sitting here from the last 3 hours, you are looking at the piece of paper. It's been 3 hours, you are stuck on that 4th question, and then all those doubts again come in कि मैंने सुबह तो ये क्लास लगाई थी, अगर सुबह ये क्लास लगाई थी तो अब मुझे 4 क्वेश्चन क्यों नहीं हो रहे. Right, again, is it just a percentile? Will I be measured on that? Is it everything this exam about? The truth is yes, but at the same time, I want you to keep going. This is a simple thing. And then a part of you starts screaming. You feel like it's not worth it. Why? Because the topper on the YouTube told you that it is very easy. The person who was out there, the senior who made it to IIM is very happy right there. You see कि वो तो शायद मेरे से भी कम पढ़ता था, and the person is right there, and what am I doing right now? And that is breaking you silently. Right, you feel like you should be taking an admission into this college and make it all over for once. But no, here comes the part what I want you to listen very carefully. I want to close your eyes and feel every word that I'm going to say now. Now, let me tell you the story. All that darkness, all that suspense, all that hollowness that is right there, it is there for a reason. It signifies that you are giving it a part. See, you are giving something from right here, and then there is a vacancy, there is a vacant spot. But remember, on those vacant spots only you build up some beautiful buildings. Right, all those sacrifices, late night sleeps, everything is going to be worth it. Right, it is not because you cannot do it or you can do it, but you have learned to stand up every single time you fall. You have fallen 99 times, and you will be standing up 100 times, because that is what life is. You at the end have to be your biggest motivator. You at the end has to pick yourself up again and start moving that towards path, because that is what you chose for yourself. That is not something was imposed on you. All those self-doubts, all those questions, all those people who are waiting right there to laugh at you, you have to prove every single of that person wrong, and you need that grit in you. One of the major reasons we go through this is because there's a word in Gen Z that is called FOMO, fear of missing out. कि शायद ये सिर्फ मेरे साथ हो रहा है, शायद बाकी सबके साथ तो ये चीज़ें नहीं हो रही. Am I even worthy of this? Am I doing this? Am I doing this? But you're not discussing it with anyone. If you're watching this video, I request you to pause right now, talk to your mentors, how you're feeling right now. Tell them that you are going through this. Tell them that you need the support. Tell them that you just need that little push and you are worthy of everything. Tell them this. And just when you are about to quit, please remember, there was a time when you were sitting there and you started it for a reason, and that reason is something that you should be holding on to. Because when I look at you, I don't see a quitter there. I don't see a person who cannot achieve anything that a person determines to. I see you as a warrior. I see you as a fighter. When I look at you, and I want to tell you that I am proud of you, not because you are doing this questions, you are doing those questions, you are of your percentile. No, I am not proud of that thing. I am proud because you are refusing to quit. I am proud because when life is trying to break you down, you are sitting there, you are not giving up. You know you deserve it, you know you have to do it, and you will do it. And if this video helps you, if you have anything you want to say, just put it in the comments and I'll be happy to help you. I hope this video puts you on the right path. All the best.